Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can will share a video. Remember rain subscribing. Now I share. No me notification bell no. Say the video be better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate a lot. And the say a puff. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, start it. What the 1.5 cup all purpose flour begu ubo mu. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 tablespoon dry yeast. 1/2 tablespoon nutmeg. One mixing it together. Half cup warm water. 1 teaspoon vanilla. No one mixing it together. Yeah, the another 1/2 cup water. Egumesa say enoso. O me see as they say. And they say too much liquid. We are not task we just see for 3 hours. After 3 hours, now watch you and one adum. O de on sabo another there 2 and mu. Say wo hwe na wontimi nya ne say nsu abetimi use ice cream spoon. Now what they ate. What ten say the enhine na bebempe. Abele no way fi anwanim. Now the akogu strain mu anase tissue paper so say the oil ni be free mu. We are now serve. Now this our puff recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.